Are you searching for a job on LinkedIn but getting nowhere? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I search for jobs on LinkedIn by choosing the right keywords and applying. The first and easiest way to find a job on LinkedIn is to search by job title. Click on job. If you're searching for medical writer job, then you type medical writer, medical content writer, medical editor, healthcare writer. Okay, once you click this, you can find relevant job. So as I'm in Bangalore, within 80 kilometers of Bangalore, the Health Minds Consulting Private Limited is hiring senior medical writer, then medical writing specialist, senior medical writer. These are recent. This is 2 week ago, 1 week, 6 day ago. Then you can use more filters like date posted, past week. So they will filter the past week. This is 6 days before, this is 4 days, this is 5 days, and we'll also check 24 hours. Okay, this is all text subject matter expert. That also I have posted. The all text subject matter videos are also there. You can explore that. That is related to medical field. Here it's physical science, but for medical field, healthcare also options are there. Then senior research. Now we'll check for remote options. For remote options, we have medical information assistance. Okay, we'll change it to past month. So past month, even Cactus was hiring for senior medical writer. That is a week or 2 week before. So next is you can add more keywords like healthcare. You will get the same result, but one or two might change. Okay. Now you can explore by company also. If you know any company is hiring and you want to just see that company, so you just click here and you get the company. Okay. So mostly you get everything here from the job filters. Okay. You can also change by experience level, employment type. Another way to search for the job is you click here, medical writer. Okay. Here you will get jobs what we had already explored. You can search your post. Okay. So here, this post, this is the job post. This we missed. So 1 week before, they were hiring medical writer. Medical writer. See, in this post, someone has posted, but the location is United States. Uh, yeah, another post. She has only posted on the post. No, here we got it 2 days back. She has posted about medical writing and senior medical writer, which experience. Even he is hiring. Okay, hiring from writer. This is 5 days back. This is content writer, 3 days back. If you know any company that are hiring for medical writing role or your role, suppose for clinical research, IQVR is always on a hunt. So we write IQVR recruiter. You click on people who are always searching for job hunters. So we can click on anyone and we can connect with that person Connect with that person and see is she posting has posted recently anything. Just look at the post for last 1 month. Yeah, she has posted about associate consultant life science and pharma consulting. So here if she is explain about the location experience and apply link and her email id, you just follow her, connect with her, and then you you message her. You message them, hi, I am Dr. Alina. I'm a dentist and more experience in medical writing and healthcare content. I'm currently exploring non-clinical opportunities in so and so and happy to connect and stay updated on relevant opportunities in at your company. Do not stop there. After connecting, follow their post, engage meaningfully with relevant posts, apply to suitable position, keep your LinkedIn profile updated.